I've always liked to kind of sniff out AI. I like to see if I can smell if something is AI. And you probably noticed that ChatGPT is great, but there are telltale signs. You'll see people posting on social media and all over the place, and you'll see on sales pages and in emails, and you'll recognize that pattern. And there's a kind of way that it will say, it's blah, blah, it's blah, blah, not blah, blah. And that's one of the things that to me just smells of AI. The other day, my daughter was reading something out, and I said to her, that's ChatGPT, right? And she said, yeah. And it just, you could smell that it was ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick case study based on what I was just doing on my laptop. And this is a simple hack to take a sales page and generate a really convincing, naturally written email to promote that sales page as an affiliate and earn affiliate commissions. Anyone can do this. You can do this. You're going to do this. Let's go and do it. So this method is going to work for any kind of sales copy and email writing that you want to use AI to help you with without it smelling like AI. Now, I'm in the make money online niche, so I use a site called muncheye.com regularly. And this is a calendar site where you can find out who's launching, what they're launching, and what the products are. So we're just going to choose one from here as an example for this particular case study. So I'm going to go for this one. Bididar automatic sites. Going to click on this. It will take us through to the holding page on Muncheye, and we'll click through on this page to go through to what's called the JV page. The JV page is where the affiliates, that's us, people who want to earn affiliate commissions, get all the information that we can on the actual sales offer itself. And most importantly, we're going to be able to get our affiliate link. So if we click through to affiliate link, it'll take us through, in this example, to JV Zoo. And here is the affiliate link. I've already requested my affiliate link, but if you haven't, instead of seeing this link, you'll see a button that says request your link. So you need to get your affiliate link. Now, if we take this link, we can then see what the sales page looks like. So if I open up a new tab to the right and pop that link in, we can then come to the sales page. And this is where we're going to get the information that we need. So the first thing that we're going to do is, number one, we don't even need to look at this. We're just going to go Control A to select everything on our page and Control C to copy it. The next site that we're going to come to is NotebookLM. So that's notebooklm.google. Click on Try NotebookLM. Once you've got yourself your account, you'll be able to start a new notebook. So just click on Create New Notebook. And here we can put in the sources. So the first source that we're going to do is copied text. And we're just going to paste in that sales page, everything, the whole lot, even the copy right down the bottom, and insert that. We're then going to come back over to the sales page. And we're just going to take the URL of that sales page and also pop that in as another source. So we click on Add Sources, pop that in. And now we have both the text copied and pasted and the actual URL itself. Now, you don't necessarily have to do both, but this is just in case something gets missed, because on some of these sales pages, it's not copy and pastable, and it's just like a belt and braces way to make sure you get all the information that you can. Now, this is where NotebookLM comes into its own, because it's going to write in a different way to ChatGPT. So we're just going to ask it this. I want you to summarize this into a way that it could be a genuine email from me to a friend rather than a sales email. But at the same time, what I'm actually doing is trying to get them to this page to sell it to them. I just want it to come across as authentic and genuine. All right, so I'm going to pop that in there. And the result that we're going to get is going to be completely different to ChatGPT, as you're about to see. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is that it's not doing that. It's blah, blah, it's blah, blah, not blah, blah. It's not doing any of that. Now, don't worry about these little numbers here. These are just where you can see how it got this information from the source that we gave it. So it reads like this. Hey, John, I know we've talked before about finding ways to make some extra income online without having it take over our entire lives. I stumbled across a new tool called Automatic Sites that I thought you might want to see. Basically, it's an AI software designed to automate the really tedious parts of setting up websites. So it goes through and it ends with, it seems like a low-risk way to test out the AI automation trend we keep hearing about. I'm not saying it's a magic button, but for the price of a lunch, it might be worth testing to see if it can actually generate that passive income they're talking about. You know, this is really like make-to-make kind of stuff, and I think that that sounds really effective. So if I was going to use this, I would then just take that subject line, Control C to copy that. I'd go over to my autoresponder. In this instance, it's get response. And I paste this into both the message name and the subject, because it's a bit weird on get response. If you don't do that, you don't know what the message was that you sent. So a little tip for you there. Click on next. I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste all of this. And I'm pretty sure that the numbers won't be copied. I just paste that in. Now, as you can see, we need to do a little bit of playing about with this. So I'm just going to tidy this up quickly. Okay, so now what I want to do is have this all the same font. So Control A for selecting all, and we'll go with just Arial. 15 will be fine. And we've got the link here. So we're going to put our affiliate link in here, and we're going to put our name down the bottom. So I'll put Trev. Also, it says here, let me know if you grab it. Maybe we can compare notes, which I think is quite a nice little touch. It does make it feel really realistic. So we come back over to the affiliate link page. We're going to just copy that affiliate link, and then where it says link to page, obviously we want to take this out, and we're going to put the link in there. Just select that line, click on link here, pop that in, and I'm going to put a tracking ID. To do that, we just put a question mark, and then TID equals, and then I'm going to put GR direct. So that just basically stands for get response direct. It means that that would give me the tracking reference GR direct if I get a sale, so that I know where that came from. And then that's what it looks like. So now one of the tips to get this to inbox is to go plain text, HTML to plain, and then wrap long lines. Don't ask me why that works, but it does. And then going to send the test. Going to send it through to my Gmail. Send that, and we're going to take a look at what it looks like. And here we have it. So found something interesting for that side project stroke thought of you. And then it's just an email, you know, from a friend with a link. So if we click on that link, that will go through to the sales page. This will be cookied to us because we've used our special affiliate link. So if we click on this and go through to the checkout cart, the way that you check yourself if your links are working is to come down the bottom here, and you're looking for you have been referred by, and as it says there, Trevor Carr 309293, they are my details. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Now, don't forget, I do have a free school community that you can join just by clicking the first link underneath this video. There are no catches. It's completely free to join. Click on the join group button and I will let you in. Do that now, and I'll see you on the inside. All the best.